today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Fonts in Figma with Adobe Creative Cloud CC app step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access and use your Adobe Fonts inside Figma using a simple plugin and what to check if something doesn't show up right away. First, head to the Figma website and sign in. Open the page or design file where you want to work with text. Give the file a moment to load your components and layers so everything's ready. Next, open the Actions menu. This is Figma's quick command palette that lets you search for tools and features without digging through menus. Once you've got Actions open, look for plugins. You're going to use a plugin called Font Picker, which makes browsing and applying fonts straightforward. Type Font Picker into the search, select it from the results, and then click Run to launch it. Before you go any further, make sure the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app is installed on your computer and running. This is important because Adobe Fonts are delivered through Creative Cloud. When Creative Cloud is active, it syncs any Adobe Fonts you've activated to your system, and that's how Figma is able to see and use them. If you've recently activated new fonts in Adobe Fonts, give Creative Cloud a moment to sync. If it feels slow, a quick check that the app is open and you're signed in usually helps. With Font Picker running in Figma and Creative Cloud set, you can browse your available fonts right inside the plugin. You should see your Adobe fonts alongside your other installed fonts. Select the text layer you want to style, then choose a font you prefer from Font Picker. You'll get a live preview as you click through options, which makes it easy to compare weights and families without leaving your design. When you find the one you like, apply it and continue designing as usual. If a font doesn't appear, here are a couple of helpful checks. Confirm. Creative Cloud is open and not paused. Make sure the font is activated in your Adobe Fonts library. Sometimes, closing and reopening your Figma file refreshes the list. These aren't extra steps you need every time, just quick tips if something looks off. That's it. Open your Figma file, launch Actions, run the Font Picker plugin, ensure Creative Cloud is installed and running, and then choose the Adobe font you like. With this setup, your typography workflow becomes fast, consistent, and easy.